Marcelino Gonzalez II reporting, Channel Zero News. Send it to me today.
Today?
Send it to me today. I sent you the money yesterday.
No, it will be on Tuesday.
I sent you the money already, so why can't you send me my money?
You confirm your information. Okay?
What?
Your information.
What about my
Your
info?
home address.
What about my information?
Yeah. You need to confirm it again, okay? So I will confirm.
Can you send me the money through Quantum?
Yeah. I'll send it to you on Tuesday.
No, today.
Today. I don't think so, but let me think.
Let
Send
me
me
think
today.
very hard.
Okay.
Okay. Waka waka, mama say, makusa, waka waka.
What?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. You confirm your home address. Okay.
You want me to visit you at your home address?
No, your information.
I want to go to Africa.
Okay. Okay.
I want to go running on the safari with the elephants.
Yeah.
Are you going to go running with me with the elephants?
What?
Are you going to go running with me with the elephants?
No.
Please?
No.
My friend, I'm going to fly to Africa to make money.
Okay.
We get to see each other in person.
Okay.
You want?
Good. Yeah.
Do you want to go running with me with the elephants?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
So,
I'm waiting.
can you send me my money today?
No. I cannot send it today.
But then why do you want me to send? I sent you the money yesterday.
Me?
I sent you the money yesterday.
No. He's not me. He's not send me any money.
Yes, I did.
Hello?
What?
Hello?
Hello?
Who do you send the money to?
I sent it to you. Now send me my money.
It's not me. I don't hold you. I'm not with your money.
It was you. I'm going to Africa tomorrow and I want you to run with me with the elephants.
Okay. But I'm not with your money.
Yes, you did.
I'm not with your money, okay?
Yes, you with my money.
I'm just doing my job. I'm not with your money.
Yes, you did.
They deliver your cash by Tuesday or Monday.
No, I sent you the money. You're going to send me my money today, please. You know what?
Are you sure?
Look it. I'm going to go to Africa tomorrow, okay? You could give me the money tomorrow. When we're by the elephants.
Okay. Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello?
Good
Good day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are you talking about?
I forgot what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are coming to the airport with the airplane?
Yes.
Okay. I'm waiting.
I'll see you
So
tomorrow.
by which time?
I will see you
By
tomorrow.
which time?
I'll be there tomorrow at 800 hours.
20 hours. Okay. Okay. You said that he will come to the airport
Yeah,
tomorrow 22.
the
Hello. I'm heading.
yes, the elephant's gonna be there at the airport, right by the airplane.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
The elephant is going to be by the airplane when I land there tomorrow. Right now, the elephant is sleeping by the other plane over there. Are you gonna go running with me with the elephants tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
I'll be there tomorrow.
For you to come.
Okay, I'm gonna ring your
Yeah,
doorbell.
I'm waiting. Okay. I'm waiting.
Okay.
By which time?
What?